PureCare has been a leader in wellness top-of-bed products for many years. We think there's a huge void for a quality wellness pillow that we can fill.
Domestic production is going to allow PureCare to add our wellness stamp into a whole new category, that is fiber and blown pillows. Product development is going to be taken to the next level with this new machinery, and the partnership is going to be incredible.
We have the ability now to craft products right here in Arizona and make the special products that our customers are asking for. With Brighi technology, we can expand our pillow manufacturing to different models, to different fibers and different technologies, and make the products that our customers need to live their best life. At PureCare, everything we do with heart.